everyone. Today our group will present our mini research entitled Student Perception or Counseling Services in UNIMAS. For the content of this mini research include introduction, literature review, methodology findings, and discussion. The purpose of this mini research is to identify the student perception on counseling services, and this is to emphasize the important roles of counseling services and the counselor to provide better counseling services. Next.
For the next one, it's about the literature review. We have covered from the three areas. We have discussed from the issues related to the topic, which are the role of counseling service is based on how the student will appreciate the counseling services and utilize it in their existence. And second one is when the students have their own perception, either it can be in positive or negative ways towards the counseling services. And then for the second one related to the theory or model, one of the theory that related to our research are REBT by Albert Ellis, which are the thoughts of someone will influence how that individual will behave or react. And the last one is past similar finding. Based on the past study and reports about the 71.8 respondents held the negative view towards the counseling due to the perceptions to the counselor. And one of the reasons that inhibits them to seek for the help from the counselor because they are worried that other people will find out that they need help from the counselor. And the last one is due to the confidentiality.
Next, our methodology. The research design for this study is a quantitative research design. And the population we choose for this study is UNIMAS students, and the sample are students who are not taking counseling programs, since our topic is about students' perception towards counseling services. And the sampling procedure for this study is a simple random sampling, since we just simply pick a random sample for this study. And the instrument used was a modified questionnaire from the Fisher antenna, in which attitudes towards seeking psychological help. And the the data analysis procedure was analyzed by using the SPSS, in which the descriptive statistical method was employed during the data analysis.
Alright, so we move on to the finding based on our questionnaire. So next. So we divided our questionnaire into two parts, which is the first one is perception and the second one is attitude. So perception, as we mentioned before, is to see how are the student perception towards counseling services. While for attitude, we want to see students' satisfaction and their willingness to seek for a counseling session. So we move on to the first one, finding. So as you can see here on the bar here, 74% of our respondents give a very positive perception towards counseling services, while there are only small part, 22% are having a negative perception. So the next one, about the attitudes, we can see that half of the respondents have neutral attitude, and 40% have poor attitude to a counseling session. This indicates that they may not have a very good satisfaction level about the counseling services and their satisfaction. So what we can see here, we will move to the next one, to discussion.
Okay, so we're going to discuss about the summary of the findings. We agree that from our findings, most agreed counseling services give positive impact to the students. And based on the finding also, we can see that actually school counselling plays a vital role in terms of affecting students' perceptions, because first impression is vital. Okay, next is to our summary research. We can see that perceptions can be different by different person. Each different person have different types of perception on how they perceive things, because it can affect the way they perceive things, but it can be changed. Time has changed, ways can be improved. We can improve by our services in counseling department. Next is about recommendation, that we recommend these counseling services to raise more awareness. We also need to adapt with new settings, be more creative in terms of helping them, and then we need to strengthen the ethical procedure within counselors. Next, is our conclusion about our research, which is perceptions is based on what we see and believe from quick observation, and then we need to improve the quality of services to reduce the gap perceived by students, so that we can also have to make clear policies about the services provided to students, so that we can see that they can come to the counseling services and seek a guidance from the counselors. I think that's all from us. Thank you.